welcome back to our part 3 of invoice. So let's go to insert, we go to illustrations, that arrow there we click, then can you see the picture shapes? So we'll go to the shapes, the arrow there, we need more shapes. So our invoice is really starting to take shape now. We click on that arrow. So this is just a demonstration of what you can do to create your logo, to put on your letterhead if you already have a letterhead somewhere. But this is just a demonstration basically. If you don't have, then you can try something like this. So then can you see the arrow there? So we must draw, as you can see there, that will regard it as representing our logo. Inside there we type logo. So remember, you only do this if you don't have your own logo. This is just a demonstration. If you've got your own logo, you can take a picture, you can insert it here. I'm going to show that also at a later stage. So now we are going to insert another shape that is going to represent our business name, address, business registration, same procedure, insert. Then we choose the rectangular, then there is the arrow, we draw the rectangular there, we put it across, then we write the information that we will need. So remember, that is not necessary if you've already have an established business that has got the logo, that has got all the things that we are going to input in there, the business name, the business address. You will also need things like the telephone number, the email, the registration number. We have typed everything. Let's drag it down a little bit to expand so that those things that are not appearing will appear. Can you see there? So we've got almost everything there on top. Let's align our information into the middle. Let's go to home. Can you see the home? Then the center, then now it's in the middle. And with that, so now we are going to need the customer details. So that is what we are doing now. We will need the name of the client, name and surname, address, and the file number. I think those are the most important things just for this invoice. Let's put just the outer border there. So home, borders, outer borders, as you know by now. Then there you go. So we need to put some more details like the invoice number, payment method, registration number. So those are some of the few important things that we need to capture there. Then we put the borders all across those details, like the invoice number, we've got the date there, we've got the payment method. So we have put the borders. So we are also, it doesn't look clear there, but you will see when I'm doing on the side of the customer name and surname and all those details, it will give you some clear perspective. Let's see, can you see how we have done it? You highlight it, then you go to home, borders, downward arrow, or let's wrap it first and see if we can merge across. Another way to expand the space, so if each name and surname were going to the 2 columns, so we make those columns to be 1 column. So that was what we were doing. So we also do the same to those remaining ones so that they will be on the same space. So we say home, then we are going to go to measure and do the same. Then we will put the borders as well, all borders. Then there you go. There you go. So can you see the borders of the surname and those below? So we need to match across. So these are just the designs, but we are almost at the heart of this invoice, where we will import the information from the other sheets to this one. So now we make spaces for the actual name of the client, the address, the phone. So actually that is the end for this part. Follow through to the next part, which is part 4. Thank you very much for watching.